Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Trending at pinag-uusapan ang bagong magazine cover ng Don Bell sa Metro Magazine. Nasurpresa ang lahat ng mga fans sa mga larawan ni Donnie at Bell. Maraming nagsasabi na tila prenup ang ginawa na ito ng Don Bell. Ayon dito sa post ng Metro Mag, as Donnie Pangilinan and Bell Mariano step into Tayo sa Wakas, a film that now carries the weight and beauty of being their last dance together. For now, they do so with full hearts, deep gratitude, and love for everything that brought them to this moment. For years, audiences watched them grow not only as a pairing, but as individuals finding their own rhythm beside each other through every scene, every season, and every chapter. Don Bell became more than just a lab team, it became a story of growing up together while learning who they are on their own. And while new journeys now wait for both of them separately, what remains is the quiet comfort of knowing that some stories never really end. They simply change from carry on and continue to mean something beautiful to the people who live through them. Ang naturang post na ito ng Metro Mag ay agad ngang pinusuan ng mga netizens at syempre di nagpapahuli si Tita M, ma'am nga ni Donnie. Ibang-iba ang formahan dito ni Donnie at Bell. Di mapigilang magkomento ng ilang fans at mga netizens na parang prenup umano ang datingan ng kanilang mga larawan at video. May nagkomento pa na kailan ang kasal. Super saya nga ng Don Bell na tila ba wala ng katapusan.